So, as it says in the cover, in this video, I'm going to take you for a look around Torrevieja. I've been here quite a lot. It's definitely my favourite city in the Alicante region. We'll go to some of the must-see sites, and I'm going to talk about the lifestyle and anything else that comes into my head as the day goes on. It's one of those places where there's a lot of Spanish, a lot of tourists, a lot of expats, and it's just a great place for whether you want to come on a holiday or you're thinking of somewhere to live. If I was just arriving now and knowing what I know, this is where I'd be looking for a property to rent. Although I still love Guatemala, this is more lively and far more to do. So buckle up. Hope you enjoy Torrevieja. Now I'm going to start off showing you around the city and harbour, and then as the day goes on I'm going to move a bit further outside. Right, before I continue, I want to start off by saying the information I'm going to give you in this video is 100% accurate in my head, which can at times be a little bit forgetful, but as accurate as I believe. It's quite a large city, 100,000 permanent residents, located fantastically just down the road from where I live, Guatemala, 50 kilometres from Alicante, 72 kilometres from Murcia, and 100 kilometres south of Benidorm, with 2 international airports, both within 44 kilometres. Obviously everywhere you go in Spain there's lots and lots of property for sale. Torrevieja, from what I can see, you can get a nice apartment with a pool from maybe around 70,000. This is a pretty famous street market right at the front, typical tourist market, but there's also another market which I've never been to, which is supposed to be one of the largest outdoor markets in Spain, where you get everything. Apparently just about everything that's been sold at a market you'll get at it. Now there's a great kids amusement park, but it's closed this time of the year, so I'll not be able to. Gates are open, I'm just going to go in. Hello pussycat, it's alright. It's a wee bit spooky being in an amusement park that's completely closed. Before I came here I would have thought places like Torrevieja, everything would just remain open all year round. Maybe not the water parks right enough, but the weather you think's good enough that you get enough people here, but obviously not. Now when I set off travelling at the end of 2021, I felt like him, but I have a feeling I've ended up with all the meditating more like him. Now we're going up here to a real landmark of Torrevieja. It's a 1.5 kilometre long, I'll try to pronounce it, Deca de Levante Pier. I've been here a couple of times, the last time at sunset, beautiful. It's a beautiful day, temperature is perfect, slightly warm. I've walked this a few times now. Keep planning to bring in Molly, but I haven't done it. I'm not going to walk the whole way to the end because I don't have the time. Not that I'm lazy. Wonderful. Love beachfronts, promenades. It's always a good feeling, good vibe. Now it's not just the story of my life. I could go and talk to me. There's a good story behind her. I hadn't realised while I was sitting there, a whole crowd of people sort of gathered to watch what this agent's doing with the camera. Thought they were going to clap, but they didn't. Now, there's 3 main beaches. I'm not going to go to the beaches, but there's 3 main beaches in the city, which are all fabulous, all blue flag beaches. Enjoyed that wee walk. But next, the infrastructure in the city is fantastic, second to none. Oh, have I been here before? Anyway, massive array of bars, restaurants, supermarkets, markets. Tons of these wee streets, and quiet now. Only quiet in the good weather, in the shade. Perfect. You'd wonder how they stay in business. It's quiet because we're 3 p.m. siesta, which I like because not having to deal with tons of people. This place we're going to have a look at is the very beautiful Church of the Immaculate Conception. So I'm heading now to the Garden of Nations. Been here a few times, nice to walk around. And there's plenty of seats. I'm always complaining that we can't find seats. Hello, chicken. Hello, duck. Spanish animals just keep ignoring me. Probably because I'm speaking English. Same to you. And you. Still the only person with short sleeves. I always wonder why there's no fish. Or I haven't seen any fish anyway. Why am I always the only person with short sleeves? It's beautiful today. Not even a wee nip in the air. That's almost all of it. So onward and upward. And I think I've just seen, I don't know what type of bird I just seen, but hold on. Looks like a vulture. No. No. Yeah, well, you might as well ignore me. All your mates have too. Don't know. Do you know? Tell me in the comments. Right, yes, onward and upward. No shortage of seats in Torrevieja. I think they've stole all the Guardamar seats. You could also sit in the toilet. And like all big cities, especially coastal cities, in this time of the year, they're just quieting down, and so as soon as you go out of the centre, everything seems closed, although a lot of stuff was closed around the front as well. The city centre itself, where all the main shops are, is busy. I avoided it because it's a pain in the bum, the traffic. So we're heading now to the outskirts, and I'll show you a couple of shopping places, of which there are many. Not my thing, of course. I'll go in, but we'll not be doing any shopping. never been here. Xenia Boulevard, which is supposed to be, I think I was told it's the biggest mall in Costa Brava. So for all you shoppers out there, I thought I'd go and have a look around, film it for you, and then run. Right, there's a cow, somewhere to sit and eat, an escalator, somewhere else to sit and eat, kids place, somewhere to sit and eat, upstairs, more places to sit and eat, a shop, another shop, another shop, another shop. Oh, Primark, maybe I'll go in there. No. Another shop, famous shop. Oh no, that's better, that's more like it. It's like a miniature old tree. Another shop, another famous shop, another famous shop. Right, so I'm sorry, for me, shopping, it's painful. That's all I'm doing. I was going to go to another place, but it's pretty much the same as that place. It is massive. I think I probably covered about 10% of it, but nothing to flipping video in shops. Right, onward and upward, but now for the treat. I was hoping it was going to be a bit later, you might have got a sunset where we're going, but this place looks wonderful. Right, let's go. Go ahead, love. Nobody ever lets me out like that, but he isn't going to come out. Yes, he is. Well, where are you going? People always just want to come out in front of you. Oh, for flip's sake. Yeah, he was meant to stop, not me. The joys of driving in Spain. Sweating. I think it's time for the sunroof. I'm coming to a bit of road up here where at this time of the day, late afternoon, there's nearly always traffic. Hope not.
A few moments later. Later.
It's starting to speed up. 15 minutes. About a mile it did. Google doesn't half bring you in some weird routes. Ah, now we're getting somewhere. This is more like it. There's nothing like walking in the wilds. Now, although I said this is end of day treat, no big things to see other than beautiful nature. Now it doesn't look spectacular yet, but it will in a minute. And a whole way over there I thought, look, somebody's left me a seat. That would have been perfect. For going to the loo maybe. Right. I'm going to put the drone up, go have a wee look, see what this is I'm talking about.
sol, cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón, pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues ¿quién? Todos caen a mi lado, el freno lo arranqué. Me siento feliz porque yo no dudo mi power. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that little scoot around Torrevieja. Hopefully it'll give you an idea what the place is like. But I'm going to leave it off there. You enjoyed the video? Please, please, please subscribe. Thumbs up be great. Love your comments. But until next time, bye for now.
Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.